I just picked up these fresh beauties. Well, I didn't pick them up, they're delivered. The other ones are pretty haggard, you saw them. So they have a little more extra stuff going on down here on this side. I'm gonna pull this one out real quick and compare and show you. All right, here's a comparison. This side's totally fine. All the screw holes look to be in the same spots. And this is the difference. I think if I just zip this end off, it'll be fine. Maybe this is made for a coupe or something. But I don't think I need to send anything back. I think I just need to trim and they'll be good to go. But before I put those back on, I think I need to run some wiring. These are the seat heaters that I will be using. They're actually from Corbo seats, like what I put in my other Nova. Corbo. It is the base and the back of the seat, so it's actually both sides. Everything's all pre-wired with these harnesses, so I think I'm gonna run those harnesses under the carpet before I put the sills back on. So I need to take those harnesses out and get them laid out. Start figuring out where I want to run them. I kind of think I want to run them like under the carpet on the side of the tunnel to come out right there in the middle. Or if there's enough wiring that way, but I'll have to get it. I don't know if I have that much wiring, so I need to get it out and double check. So if I run it like this, I don't think I'm gonna have it long enough to go with both harnesses, because these plugs, like one's gonna have to be like over there in the middle of the seat. This one will be fine because it's on the middle of this seat, but I don't think the other harness is gonna run this far. And then the switch is right here. So I'm thinking I might just go up under the middle. And then I want to hide these switches. I don't want these seen. So I might mount them like on a plate face down. Sorry, on a plate face down like this underneath the dash, so you can just like reach under and just turn it on and off. Definitely don't want a newer switch like that showing. So I'm gonna get this sill off and I'll mess around with the placement of those, and then I'll get both of these new sills cut. New sills are in. Fitting them was super crappy. They had that extra lip on there that I was showing you guys compared to the originals. They had this extra return lip, and I had to cut that off on both of them, like all the way down, because it wouldn't sit flush with the carpet, and that was a super pain. And I kind of scuffed a little bit. I was gonna call it good and decided to do one more thing. Door handle does not work to open up this door. So since I actually got door panels on the way, I actually found covers for these. So I got kick panels, door panels, side panels, and these covers. Seat covers coming. We'll be good. But now I'm gonna pull this panel off real quick and see if there's something I need to order for that door handle to make it work from the inside. Okay, door panel is off. And these are pretty nice, homemade, but they're definitely homemade and a little bit crusty. Door's not bad. A little bit of barely surface right there and there. So I think before I put any door panels on and before I put any sound deadening, I think I'll treat that with some, like, I don't know, some spray stuff or some brush on POR. Nothing really alarming though. This thing is really crusty. I don't know if we can see it back in there. You guys can see it now. I can't see it. Anyways, I'm gonna look to see what they have for new ones of these. Like, I don't know how that's supposed to move, but it's somehow it's not opening the door. This rod is hooked up. Well, I think before I do anything, I need to look at some assembly manuals and decide what to do to fix that. But door panels are going to be for a little bit anyways. And these crusties are going to go. But I think that gives me a good idea. I think I'm going to preemptively get that unit. Unless it's like stupid money. And then I'm thinking, I ordered the pads for these because they just screw on and off. Get this light off. But the plastic part is pretty well worn. And I'm thinking everything else is going to be shiny and clean in here. I should probably, yeah, there's some cracking on that one too. Looks like that's been repaired before. I'm going to see if I can find these plastics. I'd imagine they can't be too hard to find, but gosh, if these pads were like $80, then I can't imagine what the bases are. But I'll look into that. One good thing is that my my front seat cover came in. Just the front seat cover, even though I ordered them both. But I'll take the one. The front seat's the one that needs the more work anyways. So ugh, that won't be as rattly when I get some mat in there. I'm gonna show you guys in case you didn't notice, but I put fresh pedals down. And it sucks because that new pedal is like plastic, where the original one was nice and heavy. So that was kind of a bummer, like a downgrade. But nothing I can do about that. I didn't throw away the other one just in case I find a way to fix this. I doubt it though. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pull off that door panel real quick. I kind of want to see how that one functions compared to this one. And yeah, I'm gonna check that real quick. Huh. It's missing a screw right there. Yeah, the screw's missing. Just a fun fact, I've had this tool for like 20 years, 25, maybe 30 years. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to slide this, but since I'm not reusing, I'm not being too careful. Yeah, I can tell right now. Oh yeah, this one. The other one I can move that one by hand. This one I cannot. So yeah, it's definitely got some spring to it where the other one didn't. So this door is actually a little cleaner than the other one. But anyways, I'm gonna call it. I have got kick panels should be here any day. Door panels, not sure when they're gonna get here. Rear panels, not sure when they're gonna get here. Rear seat cover, not sure when it's gonna get here. Front seat upholstery showed up. So at least I got something I can keep working on, and I will do that for next video. So this should be all dialed in though, not too long, and ready to cruise for the spring, or whenever it first gets warm. And then I need to think about getting the top done.